Hello children, welcome to today's online art class. In today's class, I'll be teaching you how to draw a flamingo. So let's see how to do that. To begin with, let me start from its face. To draw the flamingo face, I just draw a C shape and followed by a curved line as shown. Just write a parallel line in a curved shape. Then draw its body in a leaf shape and join it with the tip. Draw its beak and eyes. Now draw its leg in number 4 shape. Just draw number 4 and make it a parallel line. Since the flamingo is standing in the water, I just draw some wavy lines to make the water. I draw some ripples around his legs. Next, one more straight line to make a land. I give some cloud lines to make a bush in the background. Just give some curved line randomly here and there, and I use the same cloud line to make the clouds. I make two different clouds here. One is for normal coloring and other I show how to blend two colors. Then I draw some water plants. This completes the picture. Now let's see how to color it. To color the water, I use dark blue and light blue. I color the land with brown and yellow. Next, I color the bush with dark green outline and fill in with light green color. Next, color the water plants with dark green so that the color is in contrast with light green. Next, I color brown and I color the clouds with dark blue outline and fill in with light blue. Here I am just coloring it with light blue. This is just filling of colors. The other cloud I do color filling. That is, I give light blue strokes and next I use dark blue to blend both colors as shown. I give same horizontal strokes and blend both the colors. At last I color the flamingo with pink and peach shades. First I color the complete body with pink and I give some shades of peach or skin color. You can color her legs with peach or even black. Color her feet with red and beak with red color. This completes our picture, children. Hope this was a beautiful picture of flamingo and you learned how to draw it in an easy technique. Until I meet you next time, take a very good care of your health and bye for now.